Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our set of inequality problems here. Let's review our previous solution first. We found out that our manually derived algorithm is incorrect for the cases where the coefficient of x, the unknown, is negative and turned it off on those cases. So these two lines are not displayed when the coefficient of x is negative. Today I will create a function that will include the algorithm of the phase 1. So I will call this function, define solve phase 1. The parameters will be left hand side tokens, formula sign, right hand side tokens, and the unknown. So we will add the unknown just in case in some formulas the unknown might not be x. Okay, then we will go to the solution py file and we will copy the code for this algorithm and we will paste it into this function. Okay, so this is the code. I will cut it from here and I will paste it here. Now, all the code in the function has to be indented. So I will indent it with 2 spaces. And then we will replace the string x with the variable unknown. So, and we will return to the code that it's invoking the new left-hand side tokens, formula sign, and right-hand side tokens. So let's complete the indentation. Almost done. Okay, so now let's return left-hand side tokens, formula sign, and right-hand side tokens. Now, instead of using x in this function, we will use the parameter unknown. And the unknown here. Okay, so I will save this file and now import this method. So I will add here a new function, solve phase 1, and we will have to invoke it here. So we will say left hand side tokens, formula sign, right hand side tokens, it's equal solve phase 1 of left hand side tokens, formula sign, right hand side tokens, and the unknown will provide it here as x, and it will be the unknown, the last parameter in the function. Okay, let's save this file and let's run our 7 tests. So this is the first test. It passed. We should have the same result. Okay, the second test. Passed also. The third test. Fourth test. Fifth test. Very good. Sixth test and seventh test. Okay, so it seems like we moved appropriately the function. Now our code in solution PY, it's easier to read. So we are importing the file, we are extracting the variables, we are creating the canonical formula, extracting the tokens, and then solve phase one. And then we will have to follow up with phase two, or applying some cosmetic changes into the phase one. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded.